Welcome to store.ukelikethepros.com. I'm Terry Carter. You found us, the #1 store for all your ukulele needs, and we got you covered. Doesn't matter if you're a beginner, getting your next ukulele, or getting your 20th ukulele. We got everything you need. We carry over 15 brands, just of ukuleles, that is. We carry all the Hawaiian brands, Koloha, Kamaka, Kanale. We got all price points. It doesn't matter what price point you're looking at. We got Romero's Creations, Kala, Ohana, Leolani, Lanakai, Islander, Pono, Nue, Risa. Yeah, those are electric ukes as well, but we got you covered. Solid wood, koa, mango, mahogany, doesn't matter what you're looking for. Solid tops, laminate, pickups, we got everything covered right here. So we also pride ourselves in customer service. We want you to have an enjoyable experience. We want you to find exactly what you're looking for. That's why we carry so many brands. Not only ukuleles, we have all your accessories as well, from your strings to pickups to amplifiers to tuners to capos to books, humidifiers. We got everything. So not only do you get your uke, but also you get everything you need along with that. My team is here to help you. If you need to call, you can text us, you can email us. We're going to help you find exactly what you're looking for. And like I said, I want you to have an enjoyable experience. So besides all the brands, besides what we offer, the great photos, the videos that I do to help you see and hear as many of the ukuleles as I can do for you, we also connect you. Anytime you buy ukulele, we connect you with our ukelikethepros.com. That's my instructional site. We have over 20 courses there, a premium membership. We're going to help you get better at the ukulele as well. Besides just getting one, we're going to help you get better at it as well. So we also offer Affirm to help you with your payments. We also ship worldwide. So it doesn't matter where you are. Matter of fact, we do ship worldwide all the time. So that's why we are the #1 site. We have an in-house luthier. It's going to get everything you need. You need a pickup? No problem. You want to set up strap buttons, change the lefty? We got you covered for that as well. So anyway, store.ukelikethepros.com. You're also going to get the Uke Like the Pros Advantage, a bunch of goodies that we throw in just for here. Besides our quality control on all the ukuleles, we have some goodies, some famous candy, a chord chart, a sticker. We throw some goodies in for you as well. That's included with all your ukuleles. So anyway, I'm so happy you're here. Thank you for finding us. Again, I'm Terry Carter. This is store.ukelikethepros.com, the #1 store for all your ukulele, your accessory needs. I hope you enjoy your experience. If you need anything, don't hesitate. Email, call, text, whatever. We got you covered. Enjoy your experience, and can't wait to see the ukulele that you get.